Hello everyone, and welcome back to the HrFlow.ai platform. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a folder source and upload resumes and CVs directly to the HrFlow.ai back office. To get started, head over to the Sources section and click on Create Source. You will be then redirected to the Sources Marketplace. Under Storage category, choose Folder Source. And when the pop-up window appears, click on Create Source. Now, type in a recognizable source name that you can easily remember. If you wish, you can check the Apply Notification switch to send a standard confirmation email to your candidates. You can also make your source private if you don't want other teammates to have access to it. And finally, you can add other teammates as source managers so they can easily get access to your folder source. Once you finish, click on Create Source to confirm, and you're good. And voila! You have successfully created your first folder source. You can also copy your source key, which can identify your source if you want to use the HrFlow.ai API. You can also easily change the settings of your folder source by going to the Settings tab. Now, let's add the first resume to our folder source. To do so, we just click on the drag and drop zone and choose the file we want to upload. We can upload one or multiple files at a time. We can also see the file name, the size, and the upload in progress. We can also archive the source by clicking on the Archive Source button and confirming. We can access our folder source at any moment by going to the Sources section. And this is how you create a folder source and add resumes to it in just 2 minutes. This concludes our tutorial for today. I hope you found it useful. As always, all relevant resources are in the video description. You can also leave your questions in the comment section and we'll get back to you. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get the latest HrFlow.ai tutorials. See you in the next video.